question 7 asks about the primary purpose of the passage. That's a question that we call a primary purpose question because we are very creative in the way we name questions. A primary purpose question is a lot like a main point question. Really, they're slightly different ways of asking the same thing. What was the author's overall agenda in writing this passage? Generally speaking, primary purpose questions are going to be more abstract than main point questions. They're going to describe it not in terms of the concrete details, but more generally. You're going to need to match the concepts from the answer choices to whatever happened in the passage. And the correct answer to this question will have to agree with the correct answer that you gave to question 1, the main point question, way back, because both of them are asking about the same thing. If you recall, the thing that our author was trying to do was attack the strict constructionists. So we're looking for something that says that. Let's go to the answers. Answer choice A, argue in favor of a recently proposed hypothesis. Well, the author is on someone's side, but that would be Darwin. And Darwin's isn't the recently proposed hypothesis. Darwin is the old-fashioned one. These newfangled strict constructionists, they're the ones who are wrong. So it's not A. Look at B. Summarize a contemporary debate. This is almost what we want, but the author isn't just summarizing. The author is taking a stand. One side's right and the other side is wrong. So answer choice C, demonstrate that a particular view is incorrect. Yeah. The particular view, that's the strict constructionists. The author is trying to show that they're wrong. So C is what we wanted. What's wrong with D and E? D says criticize the proponents of a traditional theory. Our author is criticizing the proponents of a theory, but not the traditional theory. That'd be Darwin. The author is criticizing the proponents of a new theory, or an extreme version of an old theory. And answer choice E, explain why a particular theory is gaining popularity. The author doesn't tell us why people are joining with the strict constructionists. The author explains why they're wrong. So the answer was answer choice C, and that's the last question on the passage.